Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Monday, October 13, 2025. Opening brief. What's good, fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in Travel Channel hosting, sinister diva of the boarding zone. If your suitcase got hips, your gate moved to Nebraska, and your seatmate breathing like a leaf blower, stick with me. I got the travel truth served hot. First brief. LAX said, park it, sudden ground stop over equipment outage. See, what had happened was, last night, the FAA slapped a ground stop at Los Angeles, LAX, thanks to an equipment outage, briefly halting departures and arrivals before ops resumed. Details are thin, but it's a reminder the Sky Highway got traffic lights too. When tech blinks, planes sit. LA said, not y'all today. Pilots out there taxiing like Fashion Week, no runway, just vibes. If your ex can ghost you, the airport can too. Second brief. Nor'easter equals Northeast airport mess, ground delays, cancellations. See, what had happened was, the weekend storm dragged into today, FAA delay programs and hefty cancellations across the Northeast, BOS, JFK, LGA, EWR, DCA saw rolling ground delays. Boston alone tallied 90-plus cancellations and 400-plus delays as winds and rain pounded the coast. Some programs eased last night, but residual slowness lingers. Check your app like it's a situationship. Mother Nature got TSA energy, shoes off, patience out. If the plane ain't moving, neither is your attitude. Hydrate and humble yourself. Third brief. CLT flight to Jamaica U-turns cause passengers got spicy. See, what had happened was, American Airlines had to boomerang back to Charlotte after 2 passengers allegedly ignored crew instructions. They got escorted off, and the flight still made it to Jamaica, just fashionably late by 4 hours. Remember, on a plane, the seatbelt light is the law and the flight attendant is the sheriff. Sir, ma'am, this ain't your cousin's Honda. You'll argue with the crew, we all go back to the driveway. Congratulations, you just paid for a scenic loop. Wildcard brief. DFW jet fuel slip and slide. See, what had happened was, video from Dallas-Fort Worth shows a refueling hose whipping under an American Eagle jet and spraying fuel across the ramp at Terminal E. Airport officials say spill containment systems captured the fuel and the area was cleaned. American Airlines says it's reviewing the incident with DFW and the fueling contractor, Menzies. No injuries reported. Baby. Not the hose doing the electric slide under the plane. Soon as that jet juice started breakdancing, I'd have been like, seatbelts. Now, give me a lifeboat. Shout out to the crew and the spill traps for catching that mess faster than catching your hand in the gumbo pot. And Menzies, y'all better put that hose in timeout and make it write a 500-word apology to aviation. Travel tip of the day. Storm week rules: book morning flights, carry a portable charger, and download your airline app like it's your boo. Turn on all notifications. Fourth brief. NJ Transit trims service for storm. Rail segments suspended/detoured. See, what had happened was, thanks to flooding and winds, bus detours in shore areas. If your Monday ride ghosted you, blame the puddles doing CrossFit. If the track's underwater, so is your punctuality. Call your boss and practice your weather voice. Fifth brief. Royal Caribbean reworks schedule, typhoon says, not today. Ovation of the seas. See, what had happened was, arrival to Tokyo got pushed 2 days, Ripple delaying the next sailing. Ocean said, you'll get there when I'm done. Pack 2 extra outfits and a humble spirit. Mother Nature don't honor embarkation times. Sixth brief. FAA staffing strain keeps pressure on nationwide. See, what had happened was, as the shutdown drags, delays have stacked up since last week, with thousands pushed behind schedule. Airlines told folks to breathe and plan ahead. It's giving, hurry up and wait. Controllers got superhero jobs with intern paychecks. Be nice, bring snacks, and stop asking the gate agent to control the weather. Closing brief. For drama-free price checks on flights, hotels, cruises, and more, slide to breathtakinglagoon.com. One click, no cap. Stay booked, stay blessed, and keep your carry-on skinny. Peace. Rattles out.